The Format Painter is a nice way to apply the formatting from one cell to other cells in the spreadsheet. So I'm going to go up to the title here, and I'm going to apply some formatting. And it's spilling over to this cell, so I want to apply that same formatting to that cell. So I'm going to click on this one, A1, where I have the formatting applied, and I'm going to click on the Format Painter and apply it to that cell. Granted, I could have just highlighted both of these cells and applied it at the same time, but sometimes you don't always know how it's going to format when you've copied it. So let's take that same formatting, and I'm going to apply it to the inventory. So I'll click once on the Format Painter. You can see that there's a paintbrush in the cursor now. We'll apply it there, and we need to apply it here as well, so I'll just click on the Format Painter and apply it there. Okay, so I'm going to undo those steps. I'm going to press Escape to get out of that Format Painter. Granted, I could have just highlighted all of these and set the formatting at one time, but I just wanted to show you how you would be able to do that. So again, I'm going to go into the Format Painter, and I'm going to choose multiple cells for it to format the same way. So I will double click in order to be able to apply it multiple times. So I'll double click and apply it to these. You can see I can apply it multiple times and it still has that Format Painter brush. And let's apply it to those. I'm going to press Escape to get out of that, so you can see that it has applied that formatting. I can do the same thing here. Use a different color of blue. Let's not bold those. And I'm going to apply the Format Painter to multiple places. So I'm going to double click and apply it to these others so that it's consistent. So I'm going to press Escape, and that's how you apply the Format Painter. One time will apply it once, and if you double click on it, it will apply it multiple times.